Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox some of the new makeup that I recently ordered online. So if you like to see what I got, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start off with some of the things that I got from Lurella. I got the Electric City palette. Look at those colors. That is beautiful. Look at that pink. This is Gravity, Orbit, Cosmo, and let's try Calypso. That's Calypso. They swatch really well, so hopefully they work really well on the eyes too. One of the reasons I always like ordering from Lurella is that they always send something extra. Like on this order, they sent one of their liquid eyeshadows, and it looks like this. And this is in the shade Goals. It looks so pretty. Look at that. I can't wait to try the eyeshadow palette and the liquid eyeshadow. Next up is Colourpop. I got the Fade into Hue Pressed Powder Palette. This is what it looks like. It feels so soft and velvety. I love some good packaging. Let's go ahead and open it up. And this is what it looks like. Look at all those different colors. That looks really beautiful. There are bright colors, pastel colors, glitter. Now the reason I bought a lot of colorful palettes is because I like to challenge myself and do different types of colorful looks. Can't wait to try this. Also from Colourpop, I got two brushes. I got the E4, and this is like a flat concealer brush, and this is what it looks like. And I also got the E3 brush, and this is just a smaller sized flat concealer brush. Now, I did get a few things from Beauty Creations, so we're gonna start off with some brushes. So these are the brushes that I got from Beauty Creations, and I got various types of brush. A flat concealer brush, a precision blending brush, and just an overall blending brush, a highlighter brush, and just some more blending brushes. And I also got a silicone brush because I've seen people apply glitter with a silicone brush. So I wanted to try it out as well. And this is the RC20 silicone brush. I also got the Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright 6-pack eyeliner set. I do already have some water-activated liquid liners from Suva Beauty, and I really like those. So we have Serenity, Rockstar, Plum, Revenge, Envy, and Money Moves. These look amazing. I can't wait to try this too. I'm gonna swatch Serenity here on my arm. Look at that swatch. It's nice and thin and precise. Now I also got the Beauty Creations glitters, and this is the set that has all the glitters. And I know what you might be thinking, Janet, do you really need all those glitters? And yes, I feel like I do need all these glitters. They're so pretty. How can you not? Look at that. I feel like you have various different types of colored glitters for a great price. I can't wait to use some of these. And the bottles are glass, and this is just like a stopper. This one is aqua. This one is magenta. Just gonna show you guys some of the ones that are catching my eye. This one is fairy dust. This one is solar. And of course, there's some beautiful gold in here. This one is Gold Mine. This is called Chocolate Twist. This one is called Galaxy. Very beautiful. Also from Beauty Creations, I got a bunch of lashes. I got lots of different styles of lashes. I got Finesse. I love how flaky these are. This is Excessive. This beautiful one is Chill. Ooh, this is a really fluffy one. This is called Drip Drip. These are flirty too. This is called Cray Cray. A lot of the lashes that I got from Beauty Creations are synthetic lashes. I got a few faux mink lashes and one 3D mink lashes. The 3D minks that I got are Bossy. Some of the 3D faux mink lashes that I got are Clapback, Classified, and Brave. Look at these babies. These are called Woke. Ooh, I really love these flary ones. This is called Spoiled. And that's it for Beauty Creations. Last but not least, I got more lashes from Lash Dreams. I've been seeing eyeliner adhesives all over social media, so I wanted to try some out. I think it's a great idea because that way you don't have to deal with how messy sometimes glue can be to apply your lashes. Look at that. Very fine tip. That's the black one. And this is the clear one. Like I said, I also got some lashes from Lash Dreams. Some of the different styles that I got were Goddess, Lavish. Wow, these are really full. These are called Daydream. And these are called Lush. Ooh, look at these ones. These are called Lovely. I got a couple of these. These are called Fairy Tale. These look so amazing. Some of my favorite one that I saw online was Flutter. These, wow, I just can't wait to wear these. And then some of these are just some restocks that I already have and I love them, like Classy, Divine, Velvet, and Muse. So that was it, guys. I did get some things from Shop Miss A, but unfortunately didn't get here early enough to make it to the video. But if you would like me to try any of these products next video, then go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below what you would like me to try. Before you guys leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. That way you get notified when I upload my next video. Don't forget to also come say hi on Instagram and my other social medias. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!